Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Imagine the possibilities that comes with this 9-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. It sits on 3/4 of an acre and is located in the farming community of Ballards Valley, St. Elizabeth. With your personal touch, this will be a perfect family home or investment property. The first floor has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, one of which is a master suite with balcony, sitting room, wraparound veranda, which offers picturesque views of the St. Elizabeth coastline and the orange glow of the sunset. The main level has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, living room, formal dining area, open kitchen with large island. The basement section offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and open floor layout, self-contained unit with own entrance. There are 2 water tanks, enclosed laundry area, storage unit, and double garage. Enjoy the cool St. Elizabeth climate while earning from your large vegetable garden. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 36 million or US $233,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.